Did you know that some plants can grow roots in just water alone? Yes, that's right. Welcome to the intriguing world of plant propagation. This is the process where new plants grow from a variety of sources: seeds, cuttings, and other plant parts. It's almost like magic, isn't it? Now, many of us are accustomed to the idea of planting seeds in soil and waiting for them to sprout. But what if I told you there's more to it? What if I told you that some plants can thrive in water or even on a rock? Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Well, it's all part of the wonderful and sometimes surprising world of plant propagation. Take the popular houseplant, the pothos, for instance. Did you know that you can simply cut a stem, place it in a jar of water and watch it grow roots? That's right, no soil needed. And it's not just pothos, there are several other plants that can grow this way too, but water isn't the only alternative to soil. Have you ever heard of lava rocks? Yes, those fiery remnants from volcanic eruptions. Believe it or not, these rocks can be an excellent medium for growing certain types of plants. They have the ability to retain water and slowly release it, providing the plants with a steady supply of moisture. And the list doesn't stop there. There are other unconventional mediums out there waiting to be explored, each with its own set of benefits, offering a unique way to nurture and grow your plants. So, are you intrigued? Excited to learn more about these fascinating methods of plant propagation? Well, guess what? We're just getting started. Over the course of this video, we'll delve deeper into these methods, exploring the remarkable ways in which plants can adapt and grow. So, ready to delve deeper into these unique ways of growing plants? Buckle up, let's get started. Traditional planting methods have served us well, but have you ever wondered if there's more to it? Something more exciting, more explorative? Now, let's pause for a moment and think about the conventional way of growing plants. In soil. Sure, it works, but it's not without its challenges. First off, soil-borne diseases and pests can be a real party pooper. They affect the health of the plant and often lead to decreased productivity. Then there's the issue of nutrient availability. Not all soils are created equal, and some just don't provide the right balance of nutrients plants crave. And let's not forget about water management. Too little water and the plant wilts. Too much, and you've got yourself a root rot situation. So while traditional methods may be familiar, they certainly have their limitations. That's where our creative propagation techniques come into play. Imagine growing your favorite plants in just water. Sounds incredible, right? But it's possible, and it's simpler than you might think. Welcome to the fascinating world of water propagation. Water propagation is a method that allows plants to develop roots while submerged in water, rather than soil. Many plants, such as pothos, philodendrons, and spider plants, are particularly adept at this. The process starts with a cutting from a mature plant. This cutting is placed in a container filled with water, and over time, roots start to sprout. One of the significant benefits of water propagation is the ease of the process. There's no need to worry about soil types, fertilizers, or pests. It's just you, your plant, and a container of water. Not to mention, it's a fantastic way to multiply your plant collection, as you can grow several new plants from just one parent plant. But it's not just about practicality. Water propagation is also a visual delight. Seeing the roots grow and develop in clear containers can be a mesmerizing sight. It's like having a mini underwater forest right in your living room. Plus, it adds a unique aesthetic touch to your space that soil planting simply can't match. Water propagation also offers an incredible learning opportunity. You'll get to see firsthand how plants develop and grow, providing a deeper understanding and appreciation for these amazing organisms. It's a hands-on, immersive experience that brings you closer to the natural world. So, if you're looking for a simple, visually stunning and rewarding way to grow your plants, why not give water propagation a try? It's a testament to the adaptability of nature and a testament to the endless possibilities that come with creative plant propagation. Water propagation isn't just effective, it's a visual treat too. So, are you ready to dive in and start your water propagation journey? Because the world of plants is waiting for you to explore and discover its wonders. From water, we now move to something more solid. Ever heard of growing plants in lava rocks? Yes, you heard it right, lava rocks. Those fiery red pebbles that once flowed as molten magma from volcanoes. Now, why would anyone think to grow plants in lava rocks, you may wonder? Well, the answer is quite simple and surprisingly beneficial for our green friends. Lava rocks, with their porous nature, offer excellent drainage, preventing the dreaded root rot that can occur when plants sit in waterlogged soil. But that's not all. The tiny air pockets in these rocks provide ample space for roots to breathe, ensuring they get that much-needed oxygen. Just picture it. Roots intertwining through the crevices of the rocks, anchoring firmly, and drawing up nutrients and water. It's like giving your plants a rugged mini mountain range to explore and conquer, all while in the comfort of your home. But don't just take my word for it. Numerous plant enthusiasts have been singing praises of lava rocks for years. They swear by its efficiency in promoting root growth and the unique aesthetic it brings to plant displays. Imagine the contrast, the vibrant green of your plants against the deep, rich hues of the lava rocks. It's a scene right out of a fantasy novel, isn't it? But let's not forget, every plant has its preferences. While some may thrive in this rocky environment, others may prefer a more traditional medium. It's all about experimenting and finding what works best for you and your leafy companions. So, next time you're considering a new propagation method, why not give lava rocks a try? It might just be the magical touch your indoor garden needs. And remember, whether it's water, lava rocks, or another unconventional medium, the key to successful plant propagation is patience, care, and a dash of creativity. Lava rocks bring a touch of the exotic to your plant propagation journey. Our exploration doesn't stop at water and lava rocks. The world of plant propagation is vast and full of surprises. Ever thought about using air as a medium? Air layering is a technique where a portion of the stem is caused to form roots while still attached to the parent plant. This method is great for plants that are harder to propagate through traditional cuttings. Or how about using perlite? This lightweight mineral has fantastic drainage capabilities and is often used in conjunction with other mediums. It can be a game changer for plants that are susceptible to root rot. And then there's sphagnum moss, a natural and organic medium that's favored for its water retention properties. It's not uncommon to see orchid enthusiasts swear by this medium for their beloved plants. Coconut coir, another interesting medium, is made from the husk of coconuts and is a sustainable alternative to peat moss. It's excellent for water-loving plants and is often used in hydroponics. These are just a few examples of the myriad unconventional mediums available for plant propagation. Each offers its own unique benefits and challenges. So why not step out of the soil box and experiment a little? You might discover a method that works wonders for your green friends. Remember, the world of plant propagation is as vast as your imagination. So why should we consider these alternative propagation techniques? What's in it for us and our beloved plants? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, these methods can often be more forgiving than traditional soil planting. If you've ever overwatered a plant and watched in despair as it wilted, you'll appreciate the self-regulating nature of water and lava rock propagation. Secondly, these techniques can offer a cleaner, pest-free environment for your plants, reducing the risk of soil-borne diseases. Thirdly, they're a fantastic way to propagate species that might otherwise be difficult to grow. Some plants simply love the moisture and nutrients they can access in water or lava rock. Lastly, let's not forget the thrill of trying something new. Seeing roots emerge in a clear jar of water or a plant flourish in a bed of lava rock, it's like magic. With these techniques, not only are we helping our plants thrive, but we're also turning gardening into an adventure. As we come to the end of our journey, one thing is clear. Plant propagation has endless possibilities. Just like the plants we nurture, we too need to grow, branching out from the usual to the unusual. It's all about exploration and learning, about finding beauty in diversity. Unleash the green thumb within you and experiment with new ways of growing your plants. Be bold, be creative, be curious. So what are you waiting for? Start your plant propagation journey today, and don't forget to share your experiences with us.